Hey guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Framer optimization warning issues. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you want to do here is you want to locate nested links. So look for components where multiple links are applied to the same element. For example, a card with two links are one on the card itself and one on a button inside it. Now, understand nested link issues here. So, nested link problems occur when both a parent layer and a child element have their own links. The parent link will override the child link. First, you need to actually fix the nested links here. So, move the link. So, shift the child link to a separate sibling layer rather than keeping it within the same parent layer. Create a trigger layer. Add a new empty layer, absolute position, to act as a link trigger and place the link on this new layer. Now from then on, you just need to set your pointer events to none on elements that should not intercept clicks, ensuring the trigger layer receives all clicks. Preview your site to ensure the changes work and the warning signs no longer appear or has disappeared. Also, ensure the different views variants of desktop and mobile do not have conflicting links. For instance, hide hover over effects for mobile versions. Now, after making adjustments, republish your website to confirm that the warning has been resolved. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.